Welcome back to another video. In this video, I want to show some basics on how to use the line tool in AutoCAD. And so let's start off by clicking this line tool up here. And we want to start by clicking a point. So we're going to click that point. And it looks like I didn't select the line, so let's click that line button again. And we're gonna start by drawing a line. As you can see in here right now, we're in decimal format. And so let's just type in 400, and we have a 400, and that is a straight line. I'm just going to hit the space button to grab another line, and we could grab another line, and let's do 400 again. But in this time, before we hit enter, we're actually going to hit tab. And you can see right by my mouse here, there's actually a 0 degrees here. And that tells us our direction of our line. And so once we hit tab, we actually are starting to control the angle of that line. So our 400 length is staying the same. And you can see here what we have is typically our X and Y axis. So right here is 0 at our X axis. Our Y axis is 90. And then once we go beyond 90, we're using that number. But what happens when I dip below the line, it actually goes back to 180. So 180 is really is the maximum kind of number that we're using. And so what I can do here is if I want to go below, I can type in -120 and it's going to go up. If I want to, let's go 400. And sorry, I didn't hit the tab button. 400. And let's hit tab. If I want to go up, we can simply just type 30. Let's do 400 again, tab. If I'm up here and I want to go down, we can do -120, and you can see it's going to reverse me going down that way. And so the biggest thing with line command is understanding where your mouse is. And so your mouse is above, that you're in the positive. And if you type in a negative number, it's going to go below. If you're in the below and you type in a negative number, it's going to go up. And so really what I typically recommend a lot of first students using AutoCAD is try to make sure your mouse is always in this quadrant over here. It's between 0 and 90, because then you have a lot more control of where that number is going to go. So we can type in 45 and we could type in 400. Let's type in 400, tab, and then we can go up here 90. And so by making sure you're always in this this quadrant, it makes it a lot easier to figure out what those numbers are going to need to be. And you don't necessarily need to do math, right? So if we have a number, let's just say that's 30 degrees this way, we can go and just make that really simple for ourselves. So let's just type in 90 here, and we can go back to this point, and we can see how we're here, and we can actually start to look at what that degree is, right? So sometimes by using the visual trick helps people a lot with understanding where they need to be when it comes to the direction of that angle. So thanks for watching. Hopefully these tips with lines help, and stay tuned for more videos on line work.